this is latest update of US immigration. The DHS is losing funds due to which US is thinking to allocate ICE agents or ICE police officers in place of immigration officers. Remember, there is a huge difference between training of immigration officer and police officers, because immigration officer asking immigration questions to the upcoming immigrants, and at airports if ICE police will be allocated, the things for the migrants will be more tightened, because they are not giving any flexibility to the illegals. So illegals game, I think, will finish, but still the chance of the funding of the DHS is there, and that bill is in Parliament in the Congress, and that is a US administration is hoping that bill will be passed and DHS funding will continue, and DHS mean immigration officers will start doing or keep doing their work. But still the situation is in middle phase. Anything can happen. The ICE police can replace DHS at airports at any time if the funding bill will not pass. My analysis that this is just news. In reality, I don't think US can replace the migration officers by ICE police officers, because think tank of US migration is very superficial. They are very intelligent, and they will not make such changes due to which immigration problem will rise, because immigration department, immigration officers, they are much trained psychologically, and they knew how to ask questions. They knew the targeted people who should be stopped. They knew the nature of the crimes the migrants do in the visa processing, and they knew that which illegals should be stopped. And I think they are doing very good job at airports. They are not also scaring people. They are not also leaving those people who don't deserve to enter US. So they are complying immigration laws very effectively, because they knew the new rules of United States. I believe this news or this information is true 100%, but will not be implemented practically. And before that, the bill of DHS will pass, which is in processing, and this news is just telling in urgency of that bill, importance of urgency of that bill. So I think migration will remain stable for legal people who are coming, who are going to US, and there will be no must extra checks on airport. This is my analysis. The things where the things will go coming days, coming hours, coming minutes are very important, and I will keep telling you updates. Thank you very much.